There we go, guys. So the rack's being put together now. So I had to dismantle the first rack there. It was a little bit too tall. I got my measurements wrong, so the old saying goes, you know, measure twice, cut once. So I just swapped over the uprights to get them the right height, because I had some others cut. So I'm now putting in the second rack here, which will hold the 240s. So one up there and one in the middle. This will hold the 180s up there. I'm going to board out the top here using the original stand top that came with the tanks. So that'll give it some extra rigidity as well, and also help flatten it out a little bit more. So you can see I've got clamps in there at the moment because I'm just waiting for my drill to charge up. But once that's charged, I'll be able to attach screws in those and then just level it all up, and we're good to go. What I'm going to do here as well is I'm going to drill through here to join the two stands together as well, so it's nice and rigid. So I'll drill through this side, probably through to this bit of wood, so I'll make it nice and tight. I have to move the electrics, but that's no problem because I need to redo them anyway. But yeah, it's looking good. So keep watching. There we go, guys. This is two racks up and built now. Got one tank in place. That tank I've just put up there just to keep it out of the way at the moment, because I need to tidy up for the day. But obviously the 240s are going to go on there. God knows how I'm going to lift that 240 up there, just thinking about it. That 125 is bad enough. It's going to have to take two of us, but it's going to be a hard job, I think. So yeah, that 125 is not going to stay there. That'll be on the third rack that I haven't yet built yet. But you can see what it's looking like. It's going to look absolutely awesome. She's done, so plenty of room in there. Get arm in there, nets in there. Whether I can get anything else in there like ornaments, that's a good point, but we'll check that out. Sure, we can work something out. Put the ornaments in beforehand. I'll just get bits that are small enough to go in there. So yeah, it's looking very good. Very happy with it. Thanks for watching.